So I'm just leaving Estes Park now. I'm downtown. We had my grown's birthday actually at my mom's house, and it was super fun. So here's what I'm thinking about doing today. I got all this stuff that I bought yesterday for rewiring the car, as well as fixing a couple little things. So I'm thinking I should just go ahead and do all that now and see how far I get. If you remember from back when I installed this bar, I didn't have any brand new bolts. I'm very much about replacing all my old bolts with new bolts. So in the bag, we got some brand new bolts. Here's one with some nuts. We're gonna replace those old ones with the new ones, and then we're gonna trim that bumper out and get installed on the front of the car. As far as these core lights go, I am having a little bit of trouble of getting them mounted. I want to say that this is probably not mounted up correctly, like it might be off one way or another. So I'm gonna have to re-drill these out, mount it differently so I can get the corner light in and make it real nice. Seems like I lose a little bit of flex in this bar. I'm gonna guess that you want to flex it more up. I'm not sure, we'll see. Sweet, so now that I got those bolts on, I'm gonna trim this bumper and hopefully we get it to fit real nice. So right now I just kind of want to see how it fits. So places I'm gonna have to trim, I'm gonna have to trim out for these bars right here. So if you see this fiberglass piece, the bar comes about right here. This fiberglass tab comes all the way out to the end. So I'm going to go off of basically this body line on the bumper, follow it up, cut off here, and cut out on both sides. And then, after I have that done, we'll look at trimming this bottom piece, because it's definitely gonna have to get trimmed. So, let's do it. So this last cut is just for the wastegate. You can kind of see I marked on the inside of the tape where the max width of the wastegate is. So I'm just going to do a little dome there, and it should be pretty good. Okay, so now that I've made all my cuts, I'm really hoping this bumper just goes on with ease. After that second cut, the only thing that was hitting was the wastegate, so I made a little cut for that. I don't know if it's just going to slide on and be perfect, so we're going to have to find that out together. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so. So just going over the cuts, I did the cuts like I said for the bar, so this can fit in. When I tested it, it was good. Made the cut at the bottom here to match the length of the top, so I know that's not an issue. The only thing that was hitting was this after making that cut. So I did a little moon shape there for the blow-off valve. So everything should be okay. Let's just put this thing on and find out. I got my fingers crossed. Hopefully it just goes on. I don't have to do any additional cutting tonight. Well, we're still having issues. It's not the wastegate like I thought it would be. It's actually that center vent. Right on the top here, it's still hitting. So the bottom portion's okay. I think I'm gonna take about ½ an inch out of the whole vent, just so I don't have to come back and recut. It should clear with that much taken off. So I'm gonna go do that and then we'll see if it fits. Okay, so I made the additional cuts to the front bumper, so please let it work this time. Here we go. One side looks good. It's always this side that's a problem. Oh! It is so close. It is literally right here that's hitting. So I'm gonna have to trim this one more time and then it should be perfect. Third time's a charm, right?
Yeah.
Totally. Here we go. So we know this side fits. So I'm just gonna get this side out. It fits! You can probably see that it's sagging pretty hard, especially where the corn light is. It's sagging about an inch. So what I need is like a pool noodle to kind of put underneath this bar to lift the whole thing up and get that perfect fitment. Luckily, I have one, so this. Okay. Well, there we go. That was looking a whole lot better. Still sagging a little bit. So luckily that pool noodle is doing most of the job of taking the weight off. So when I do attach it on the ends, it won't be sagging all hard in the middle. Well, like always, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time.